This is me choosing a farmer's life over others. It is because I am one of those who prefer love, friendship, and nature.
Yes. Sarap
Not
siya,
just
oh.
because I don't have a budget for things that are popular. But rather, I want to spend more time with my family. And establish a healthier lifestyle to be able to do things that matter most to me. I get to enjoy the God-given nature. And mindful that in this world everything has an end. I will not exchange our life in the province for anything. It's so simple, so refreshing, and so peaceful. It's a place where we bond with our family and close relatives. Far away from toxic neighbors and a busy world. This is my own definition of happiness. What about you? Thanks for watching and God bless.